Solving polynomials. In this problem, we are going to solve 2x squared minus 12x plus 19 equals 3. Step 1. Rearrange the equation to be in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. This is also known as the standard form. So the first thing we're going to do here is we are going to subtract 3 on both sides of the equation so we can get 0 on the right hand side. And this will result in 2x squared minus 12x plus 16 equals to 0. Next, we are going to factor the coefficient if possible. Since 2, negative 12 plus 16 are divisible by 2, we can factor out a 2. And our result is 2 times the quantity x squared minus 6x plus 8. Step 3. Now we can factor this polynomial here. And when we factor it, we get x minus 2 times x minus 4. And finally, the last step is to solve for x by setting each factor to 0. Now the reason why we set each factor to 0, because 0 times anything will result in a 0, which will produce the correct equality. So x minus 2 equals 0, x minus 4 equals 0. Then we simply solve for x in these two cases, and that will get you x equals 2 and x equals 4. And this completes our problem.